COVID stimulus check. Is this a PPP? Is PPP returning? My name is Quentin Banks. If you're into the channel, of course, you guys gotta like and subscribe. I know all throughout the United States, you know, different places are different. I would say like Virginia, New York, California. It does look like they are opening some of these stimulus checks, also opening some of the PPP back up. Now, each state is different. As you guys may know, if you go out to California, you know, with their mandates and stuff like that, it is insane, you know, insane. So they are one of the states out there that's trying to figure things out, right? Try to help, I was about to say employees, but try to help citizens, you know, citizens in general, you know. You go to places like New York, California, where to even work, there's, you know, some places to even work, there's requiring you to have the vaccine or some type of document stating that you got the vaccine. Some places, you know, even require you to take the test, you know, all depending on your location. So with that being said, the government is trying their best to help everybody, but keep this in consideration as far as when you guys actually try to apply for these loans, or you hear these loans, you hear the news talk about this state is opening up the PPP, this state is opening up, you know, stimulus checks. It's strictly for that state, because what applies, let's just say what applies in California may not apply in Kentucky. What applies in New York may not apply in Alabama. So just keep that in consideration as well. You know, somebody sent me a little news article where they said the PPP was opening back up in that specific state, or I should say the Golden State stimulus check is opening back up, but that is only, you know, in California, you know, so that may not apply in Arkansas, you know, that may not apply in Texas, but every place is different. And to keep your eyes open, you know, when it comes to PPP, when it comes to stimulus, you can do a Google search and you can actually search these places up. Now, when you guys search these places up, it's all local, it's all public information, meaning all this stuff you can actually look up. You know, there's not anything that's going to be holding you guys back when it comes to this, you know. So like I said, all this information is public, to public view, to public eye. There's really not much hiding, you know, because the stimulus check, yes, they're opening stimulus checks. They've been opening stimulus checks, but it's based on location. You know, you got California, they opened theirs up. I think New York is running some type of program. So every program is different. PPP, somebody told me that Virginia is having a PPP loan. I'm not too sure about that, but that's what I was being told, that specific places they're opening up the PPP. You can really do a Google search and figure out when and where the PPP is opening in your state or in your surrounding areas when it comes down to that. Now, let's get right into this because I don't want to waste anybody's time. If you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I love when you guys send me screenshots. I have any questions on my Instagram, which my Instagram is still up, so feel free to follow me on Instagram, like some photos. I will return the favor as well in that giveaway at the end of the month. If you guys got Cash App, drop your Cash Apps, DM me your Cash App or DM me your Chime, whatever one works best for you. Now, if you guys still in the process and don't have Cash App, you guys can download Chime, which is totally free. You download Chime, you'll receive $100. You'll receive a checking account, savings account, a credit builder account. You'll find ways to save money as well. So that's a win-win situation. But let's get right to this. This was a member of my channel. They begin to say, Virginia, where you at? I was reading the news this morning, and it seems like most states are giving some form of COVID stimulus checks for people still trying to overcome the financial hit of this pandemic. Virginia has done nothing for us that actually makes a difference to the average family. I say makes a difference as in monetary means. I say unobtainable grants or some distribution of COVID funding placed in questionable areas of the community. Hope that sounds, well, misguided, but good on paper to save face. The Commonwealth. So let me know if you're in the Virginia area, if this is true, or what exactly is going on with the COVID situation. As I mentioned, there are some places, and like I said, you can do a Google search. There are some places that's opening up the PPP, opening up COVID assistance, because places are still getting affected by this, you know, and it does look like it's only going to get worse. It's not going to get any better, and I say that with regards of it getting better, but as of right now, people are not getting vaccinated, people are not wearing masks, people, the more spread of the virus is going on. So does it like things are getting worse? But hey, what can we do? What can we say? Because at the end of the day, I really wish everybody, I wish this stuff would go away, because we're going to look back at this 10, 15 years and say like, geez, we survived this pandemic, we survived this COVID, and you never know, man. It seems like with so many variants and phases and this and that, this COVID thing is only going to seem like get more compounded. And luckily, I'm fortunate I have not been affected by COVID. I appreciate everybody, giving me details about it or hearing what they've been experiencing, but geez, COVID and to not have it, to not have any effects of it, that says a lot, because I'm just here to spread the message, but like I said, I appreciate everybody who reached out, because I took the COVID test, just to take it, I did take the COVID test, so I did end up taking it, obviously I'm good on that aspect. It was just more the fact of me taking it, want to, better myself, get a better understanding. But yeah, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. If there's any other questions, feel free to drop your questions, comments, concerns below. I will try my best to push you guys in the right direction. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. PPP update. We're going to talk about harvest. Is the PPP opening back up? Is it ended? Can you get things forgiven? What exactly is going on? As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. I will try my best to keep everybody updated as well. Now, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand as far as when it comes to the PPP. Are you guys still looking to apply? Are you guys applied? Have you guys been forgiven? What exactly is going on? I know there's tons of people in different situations. I'm not going to, can't knock anybody's situation. Everybody's in different situations, especially when it comes to the PPP. You know what I mean? So I definitely understand that. But let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. As always, and today it looks like people was questioning harvest. But we're gonna figure this thing out here shortly. Give me 1 second here while I get this stuff updated. A lot of you guys was questioning harvest. A lot of you guys had questions. What exactly is going on? Is there anything that they can do? How do you contact harvest? X, Y, Z. But I do want to let you guys know as well. I will try my best to provide certain numbers, certain contact information, but I do let you guys know the best thing to do is when you're contacting these places, make sure you get a contact information. Make sure you try to get somebody's name, email address, number, or something, because when push comes to shove, meaning when it's time for you to contact them, they're nowhere to be found, right? They got all of your information. Sometimes it's best if you get their information in return. So let's get right to this. This was a member of my channel. They began to say, Harvest Lender Company. I can't find any type of contact information on Harvest. What type of company is this? I called the number listed. The phone says number has been disconnected. Wow. And like I said, they will do everything as far as disconnecting your services.